Introduction, Basic Knowledge of Excel MS Excel. Hello and welcome to this tutorial on the basics of Microsoft Excel. In this video, we will be covering the Excel interface, navigation, and basic formatting. First, let's take a look at the Excel interface. When you first open Excel, you will see a blank workbook with cells organized into columns and rows. The columns are labeled with letters, and the rows are labeled with numbers. You can use these labels to refer to specific cells in your worksheet. At the top of the Excel window, you will see the ribbon, which contains all the commands and tools you need to work with your data. The ribbon is organized into tabs, such as Home, Insert, and Page Layout, each containing specific groups of commands related to that tab. Now let's talk about navigation. You can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move between cells. You can also click on a cell to select it. When a cell is selected, you will see a thick border around it. To select multiple cells, you can click and drag your mouse to highlight a range of cells. You can also hold down the Shift key and use the arrow keys to select a range of cells. Now let's move on to basic formatting. You can change the font size, and font color of your text by using the commands in the font group on the Home tab. You can also change the fill color of cells using the commands in the fill group. To apply a number format, such as currency or percentage, to a cell or range of cells, you can use the commands in the number group on the Home tab. Now let's try some basic formatting on our worksheet. Let's select a cell and change the font to Arial, font size to 14, and font color to blue. We can also apply a yellow fill color to the cell. Next, let's apply a number format to our cell. We can select the cell, go to the Home tab, and select the number group. We can then choose the currency format and apply it to the cell. And there you have it. A basic introduction to Excel interface, navigation, and formatting. Now you're ready to start working with your own data.